Hi guys, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this Snow Sport helmet by Stomp. The color is matte black and the size is small. They come in different sizes. I purchased this from Amazon. The price varies based on supply and demand and on the season. This helmet comes with a nice protective bag. And inside the box includes the owner's manual and a thank you card. If you subscribe to their newsletter, you can get up to 20% off on your first purchase. This is the matte black. Looks really nice. Stomp logo. I'll give you a 360 tour. This is the strap for your goggles. Stomp. Size small, 55 to 56 centimeters. Here's all the air vents. So if you sweat a lot, the sweat can evaporate, keep you cool. Now this is the inside. Nice padding on the ears. And they have pockets on the side here. You put your earbuds. If you don't want to use them, you just hide them here. This padding is about 1/4 inch thick. Padded strap. Adjustable. And here's the adjustable strap for just the size of your head. A wide range of size. The downside to this is that these paddings is not removable, so you cannot wash it. If it gets too stinky, you're gonna have to find another way to clean it. Maybe steam clean. That's one of the downsides. So far this looks pretty nice. I'm pretty stoked to try this out. This was a lot cheaper buying it on Amazon than inside the retail store. Skip out the middleman. This helmet has 2 strong reinforced layered shell made from strong ABS material. This helmet only weighs about 1.2 pounds, super light. Overall, I like this helmet. It looks good, it's comfortable, and it's good value. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Peace out until next time.